Hello dear students, in the last class we discussed about various organs present in digestive system and their role in the process of digestion. Today we study the diagrammatic representation of digestive system and how these organs are performing their function in the process of digestion. So let's look the structure of digestive system. Digestive system starts with oral cavity, that is the region of mouth, which opens in a tubular structure called as pharynx, and pharynx opens in again one tubular structure called as esophagus. So first we will see the oral cavity. In the oral cavity we have arrangement of teeth, 32 teeth, 2 jaws are there, 16 teeth on each jaw. Centrally placed flattened muscular structure, tongue, and 3 pairs of salivary glands are present. This is the oral cavity, comprises of teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Here we know teeth help for mastication of food material and tongue help for mixing food material with saliva, called as chyme. This ball is called as chyme. This chyme rolled on here. Now how chyme rolled on? Because of presence of saliva. We discussed composition of saliva, in which mucus we have studied about mucus. One of the component is mucus. So this mucus help to roll down this chyme, and this chyme enters in a tubular region which is 12 cm long, called as pharynx, and pharynx opens in esophagus. This is esophagus. Esophagus is also called as tube pipe, and esophagus shows rhythmic contraction and relaxation, which is called as peristaltic movement. So this esophagus is also said to be food pipe. Now further, esophagus opens in J-shaped structure, J as well as C-shaped structure, which we used to call stomach. Below stomach, there is a gland which is yellowish in color, and this gland is called as pancreas, which opens in a duct called as pancreatic duct. Now this is the stomach, and the role of stomach is to store food material, partial digestion, and secretion of gastric juices. So in this way here there are some linings in stomach. In the inner lining of stomach we find out some glands. These glands are called as gastric glands, and the role of gastric gland is to secrete gastric juices, and those juices are the composition of mucus, HCl, and enzyme pepsin to digest protein. And food material of course is here, that is also partially digested. Below stomach we have one of the gland called as pancreas, and the role of pancreas is to secrete pancreatic enzyme, and those enzymes are trypsin, lipase, and pancreatic amylase. The largest gland of the body, that is the liver. Liver is not directly organ of digestive system, but plays a vital role in the process of digestion, because liver secretes bile. Liver secretes bile. Bile is composition of bile salt and bile pigment, and below liver gallbladder is there. Whatever bile secreted by liver, that bile stored in gallbladder. This gallbladder opens through a duct, and this duct is called as bile duct. This duct is called as bile duct. In this way, all this material, including how many things are here? Bile, pancreatic enzyme, gastric juices with food material. Everything together opens in small intestine. The beginning of small intestine, this region is called as duodenum, and the coiled region is called as jejunum. This coiled part is the longer part, longest one, and this part is called as jejunum. Jejunum. Clear? Now this jejunum opens in a narrow tubular structure which is called as ileum. This region is called as ileum. It opens in large intestine, and large intestine is broader than small intestine. So this is the beginning part of large intestine, and it is called as cecum. In cecum only, at outside the cecum, we find out one external growth which is called as appendix. And this appendix is totally vestigial organ. There is no role of appendix in the process of digestion. It is just only evolutionary sign present till now in human being. Earlier in primates, it is to be said it is used for purpose of digestion and store some of the useful bacteria and some of the enzymes and help for the process of digestion. But now it is not supposed to be like that. It is totally vestigial tube-like structure present at cecum. Now further, cecum roll over the small intestine and it covers the small intestine, and this part or this region which cover, this is the flattened one, and it is called as colon. Second most part, longer part of large intestine, and colon opens in the last region of large intestine, that is little bit more broader, that is called as the rectum. The role of rectum is to store undigested food material, and here it shows some adaptation like extension to absorb water. This rectum opens in a canal called as anal. The canal is guarded by sphincters, and these sphincters open in anus region. This is the region of anus. This is about the structure of digestive system. Now bile. Liver secretes bile. Though bile don't have any type of digestive enzyme, no digestive enzyme or any other enzyme present in bile, but still bile play a vital role in the process of digestion, because bile is the composition of bile salt and bile pigment. Bile salt help to make medium alkaline. Whatever acidic medium is there in the stomach, so food is having mixed with acid and food turns to acidic medium. So this medium has to neutralize. Once this medium will neutralize, then only the action of pancreatic enzyme is possible. And pancreatic enzyme works only in presence of bile. So pancreatic duct and bile duct both opens together in a common passage. See here. This is the pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct starts from here. This is pancreas and duct starts from here. So pancreatic duct and this is the bile duct. Both opens here. So bile, as soon as bile mix with this material, this pancreatic enzymes become activate in alkaline medium. This food material and gastric juices also comes in this same region. So these material also get neutralized and further action is possible. Here, as soon as material reach in the small intestine, walls of small intestine also secrete some of the enzymes called as intestinal enzymes or intestinal juices, and all together material is called as digestive enzyme. And process of complete digestion takes place in small intestine. So here one thing, what is the basic role of digestive enzyme? The basic role of digestive enzyme is, now whatever food material we are consuming, this food material get digest, and this digestive enzyme helps to convert first material carbohydrate. In food what we are consuming, the basic three things are there. One is carbohydrate, another is protein, and third is fats. So here carbohydrate converts into glucose so that we are getting energy. The basic purpose of nutrition is to gain energy. So from where we are getting energy? We are getting energy from carbohydrate. Second is protein. Proteins convert into amino acid. All protein converts into amino acids. So amino acids are useful for synthesizing to secrete different type of enzymes, hormones, catalyst and chemical, and involved in the process of metabolic reaction as well as to synthesize DNA, RNA, everything. And last is the consumption of fats, which converts into fatty acid and glycerol. So this fatty acid and glycerol is also important for the body, and they supply energy to our muscles, heart and different organs of the body. Even these fatty acids are essential for structural and metabolic mechanism of our body. It provides structural base to each and every cell as well as helpful for metabolic reactions. So all these three components are very essential: carbohydrate, protein and fats. And these things getting digested with the help of digestive enzyme and converts into glucose, amino acid, fatty acid. And the role of bile is emulsification of fats. First, it helps to make medium alkaline, to activate pancreatic enzyme, as well as helps for emulsification of fats, because once lipids get activated, then only fats will get emulsified and break down. So this is all about digestive system in human beings. In the next class, we study about the respiratory system.